taking the time to review this information. It's clear that the person who invited you here thinks highly enough of you to share it with you. They feel like you're the sharp, ambitious entrepreneur that would recognize a great opportunity when you're presented with one. My name is Ben Sturdivant, and I have the opportunity to introduce you to our company. Let me ask you a simple question. What if you could get paid on your own wireless bill? What if you could get paid on other people's wireless bills? What if you could earn free wireless service and never have to pay a cell phone bill again? And what if you could have your own home business with unlimited earning potential? I know that all sounds impossible, but with what we have to offer, the impossible has now become a reality. You see, I'm sure you'd agree with me that now more than ever, people are looking for something more. They're looking for a way to make ends meet. They're looking for a way to create more time freedom or financial freedom or both. In this type of economy, most people would love the opportunity to own their own business. The challenge is finding something that makes sense. What I want to introduce you to is what I feel is the most common sense home business that is available today. Welcome to Light Year Wireless, where we help people create an additional stream of income by taking their wireless expenses and turning them into an income-producing business. We are a 4-year-old division of a 19-year-old publicly traded telecommunications company. We have an executive team with over 60 years of experience in telecommunications and in direct marketing. We have an 80,000 square foot world headquarters in Louisville, Kentucky, and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. I tell you this to let you know that Lightyear is a real company. We are not some get-rich-quick, fly-by-the-night, started in someone's garage type of opportunity. We are a very solid company with an extremely solid infrastructure to support you in your business. But why have you never heard of us? That's because we do things a little differently than the big wireless carriers. You see, the big carriers are out there spending all this money on advertising, opening new stores and the kiosks in the mall, trying to bring new customers. Now, has this method worked? Of course it has. This is how the wireless companies have operated for many years. The challenge with this model now is that everyone out there has a cell phone already, and I'm sure you'd agree with me, it's pretty hard to sell someone something they already have. In the wireless business today, if you want to gain a customer and more importantly keep a loyal customer, you've got to be unique. You've got to offer some kind of value that those customers can't get anywhere else. So here's a logical question. What is the value that Lightyear Wireless provides these other companies can't? The answer is this business that we're sharing with you right now. You see, instead of advertising, Lightyear's going to let you insert yourself into this equation as a Lightyear Wireless independent business owner. And through this idea of social marketing and social sharing, they're going to pay you to go spread the word about our product. What this creates is a very loyal customer. In fact, I'll go so far to say it's creating the most loyal customer out there. Now that's a bold statement to make, but let me back it up with proof. Okay, I am a Lightyear independent business owner, but I'm also a customer of their service. Well, now that I'm a Lightyear customer, no matter what another cell phone company offers, I don't care how low their plans go or how many free phones that they offer me, I'm never leaving my service with Lightyear. So does that sound loyal to you? You bet it does. And the reason I'm so loyal is because I have a value here that I can't get anywhere else. You see, with Lightyear, you own your own business. You have a business that has unlimited income potential, but you don't have to worry about all the hassles and headaches that would normally go along with opening a business. You don't have to open a store. There's no inventory of phones. You're not delivering things to customers. You're not dealing with customer service. You don't have to hire employees. Yet, you have all the unlimited earning potential, all the tax advantages and benefits of owning your own business. You also have the ability to become your own customer. Sign up on your own website, become your own customer, and get paid every month on a bill you're going to pay for anyway. You have the ability to introduce the service to other people and get paid on their bills too. We also have the ability to earn free wireless service. We have a very simple program for our independent business owners. It's called U+3=free. It means you as a Lightyear business owner become your own customer, obviously, so you can get paid on your bill, but then go refer it to 3 other customers, and as long as you maintain any 3, your service is free forever. You don't have to keep going out and doing it every month. Just maintain any 3, your service is free forever. I haven't paid a cell phone bill in over 4 years, yet I continue to get paid on it. But the biggest benefit of all is we have the ability to get paid to help other people do the same thing we're doing, to just simply refer it to other people. See, we're out there every single day referring restaurants, movies, all kinds of services on things like Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn. We're always networking and sharing ideas. Why not create an income from it? Imagine getting paid every time someone you referred a restaurant to went and ate at it. Well, here, we're just referring a great cell phone service that people are going to use anyway. We're just showing them how to profit from it. And it's a great service that you can rely on. Lightyear Wireless offers a product that people can't live without, obviously, and we provide a solution for everyone. We have plans that start at $20 per month, for very limited users. They have rollover minutes with them, prepaid services with no contracts and credit checks. We have unlimited everything plans, like a $59 unlimited everything with unlimited talk and text and data with no throttling or slowing down of your data, no limitations. They're not going to get a bill in the mail for a bunch of overages. Very straightforward plans. We even offer new 4G LTE plans so you can have the highest speeds out there with your wireless phones. We offer great international calling plans, family plans, wireless internet with the air cards for laptop computers. We even have a neat mobile hotspot feature with our phones where you can turn your own cell phone into a mobile hotspot and connect multiple devices like your laptops and other things around your home up to it. We've got great Android smartphones, and for those of you who are iPhone lovers, you can put a Verizon-enabled iPhone onto Lightyear's service, and you can get service for free, and you can create an income from it. I have a Verizon iPhone on our service. My service is free, and I get paid from it. And best of all, we have a relationship with two of the largest wireless companies that are out there to provide our different coverage options, Coverage A and Coverage B. The only difference, they're two different networks, but they provide options for people. We have a solution for everyone. Doesn't matter where you live, doesn't matter what kind of phone you want. We have a solution for everybody. The reason we're so excited about being a part of wireless is because it's such an explosive industry. $240 billion in annual revenue in the U.S. alone, with over 335 million users. Now, as a potential business owner, if you're looking at that saying, hey, I want to get into something that has a future, that's pretty exciting. But look at the worldwide numbers. 1.85 trillion in annual revenue with over 5 billion wireless users nationwide. That is an amazing market potential, and look at where we are. You see, timing and positioning is perfect with our company, and that's the most important thing with business. We've just gotten started. We've just barely nicked the surface of our U.S. expansion, so you couldn't be at a better place in time with our company. But here's the bottom line. Okay, yes, you can go out and get service from any other carrier out there. You can get the same high quality phones, the same high quality service, but at the end of the day, wouldn't you rather receive a check than a bill? See, that's what Lightyear does. We're not out there trying to sell people wireless service. We're not going to people we know saying, hey, how'd you like to buy my cell phone service? We're not going to someone and saying, hey, how much are you spending? We're showing people how they can get it for free, how they can get paid on it, and if they want to, how to create an income by helping other people become a part of this too. Think about all the people that you know that maybe aren't completely satisfied with their situation. Myself, I was working in physical therapy. My wife was working as a microbiologist. Together we made a pretty good income, but getting by and making an income wasn't enough. We wanted to own our own business. We knew that that's how you had the time freedom to, spend the time with your family that you want to and do the things that you wanted to do. But we didn't have the means to start a traditional business, and quite frankly, nor did we want the headache. What Lightyear Wireless gave us was a no-brainer concept to be able to create an income by simply redirecting existing spending. See, guys, that's what makes so much sense about this. This product is unconsciously purchased and habitually used. We don't have to sell you on the fact that you need it. We don't have to teach you how to use it or change the way you do anything. And most importantly, we don't have to hope that you stay on the auto ship of it every month because it's something that you're already doing. All we're doing is showing you how to profit from it. And we have lots of different ways to create an income, and we'll have additional videos here that you can watch and really get into our compensation plan and really see the big potential of it. We have people in our company that make more money in a month than most people make in an entire year, and no, they're not the average person, but that's what's possible. If they can do it, anyone can. We have people who do this on a part-time basis and just earn a few $100s a month. We have people that have eliminated tens of thousands of dollars of debt. We have people that have brought their spouse home from their job, and everything in between. Whatever you want to accomplish with our compensation, you can. We have upfront immediate bonuses that you can earn for gathering customers and helping light your business owners get started. People just like you. We have bonuses paid to you if you're a leader in your team and you're helping people. Matching bonuses, revenue sharing bonuses, incentive trips, travel expense accounts you can earn, even car programs where you can earn up to $1,500 a month in free car payments. And all of this is backed with a $1,000 bonus guarantee. All you do is follow our simple system for 6 consecutive months, and if you don't make a minimum of $1,000 in that time period, the company's going to pay the difference. And it's not that that $1,000 is setting you free financially, it's just proving that we offer something here that our company believes in. We're not saying you're going to get rich with a little tiny bit of effort. What we're saying is at least you'll be profitable in your business, which is pretty unique for a lot of opportunities out there. So here's an important question to ask yourself. Based on what you've looked at so far, does this concept interest me enough to get additional information? If it does, if you'd like more information, get back to the person who sent you to this presentation. This is just an introduction. If you want more information, go to one of our live web presentations. We spend a lot more time getting into some of the more detailed information, and we have trainers and experienced people that will get all your questions answered. I hope that what you recognize by watching this short introduction here, that we're not out there trying to explain and sell things. We're not out there trying to convince people of anything. All we're doing is letting people know that, hey, this is an interesting concept. Let them look and judge for themselves. If they want more information, we pass them on to our system. Thank you so much for taking the time to review this information. Have a wonderful day.